Hello, listeners. My name is Ryan Z, and today I'm going to do a live lesson to Bleach chapter 612. But before I go to the live lesson, I just came home from a convention, and I got three new posters which I'll hang up later. Oh, I'm so excited to show this poster, but I will not show them. I will keep them a surprise. And I also got figures of One Piece, but they're cool. But I don't know. I think I want to get them. One is of a kid, yeah, kid that motherfucker hair, and of course the other one is Goldie Rod. As you guys can see him, as you guys can see. It's pretty cool, but I don't know the face. I don't know the face, as you can see. You can see the face. Yeah, I don't like the face. I mean, the design is cool and all, but the faces though. Like you see those faces, like it's been made, and I think I got three. So I think next time when it's going when the store is going to open again, I think I am going to decide. Oh, and one more thing before we actually get started to the live reaction, I will do Parasite live reaction tomorrow because today is manga day, so I don't think I have time to do Parasite live reaction, but maybe I'll do it. Who knows? But for now, except the Parasite video for tomorrow. Yeah, so let's get into the live reaction. I tell you what, Terrible Baby is getting close to the Soul King. Soul King. No one can stop you back in ways and work. Who can stop you back? Who can stop it? Who? So tell me who. You're imperfect God who can't even run away at such a time. Oh, and okay, I know stupid, but this guy is kind of remind me of the guy in one of the Blitz films. I don't know, remember the story very well, but I don't remember. Farewell, Soul King, the one who can see the future. Straight to the heart. Yo, Soul King body doesn't even have like hands or something. It's basically just a corpse, a corpse, and then it's like my father, Blade 612, Dirty, two shadows heading to the battlefield. Oh. Oh, Randy and Rukia. Look at those. Randy and Rukia. Oh, let me just close that. Oh, okay. Captain Hiroku. What you here too? Oh, okay, so I guess Hiroku is in this, okay. Okay. Yes, I see you got a beaten up pretty badly. Are you okay? Don't be so stupid. Such a word, and nothing is to worry about. what? You here too? Omeda? Idiot, of course I mean it's because Captain Yanko and us were able to block the enemy with our that patrol powers the attack missed and we are safe. Oh really? Okay. You won't forgive anyone who is rude to Captain Roku. I will never. What you were the first to make fun of them and call them outsiders when they came here, and why you bring up your real sister here? Idiot. She just fell asleep. Stop being loud or wake her up. Wake her up. Why did he bring her sister, yo? you are the loudest here. Look at Cypher. Cypher is like, yo, dude, stop talking. Just stop talking. Just stop talking. Oh, sorry. Like, as if I can knock them down, of course, as usual. The ones that Golden Eye suffered during the fights only just here to fake to vice captain in Amory efforts. American Kukutski-san. We can't live alone in the middle of the fight. Please forgive him. Okay, Captain Cypher got kinder. Fool, she was always kind. Okay, really? I don't think she was kind, but you know, she was a bit on the heavy more side. Let's stop talking outside and get inside. Everyone gather already? Who knows? We got a pretty desperate message, ordering all captain and vice captain to other, even at the cost of banning the current fights. Everyone probably heading here. Oh really? Interesting. Okay. Oh wow, what the? Well, is in this room too. I see. Huh. Oh, it's been a while. You're seeing something. Thank you for always take care of my sister. Oh, your rate is my brother. You grew so much. Okay, so this guy is a boy. It's a boy. It's been confirmed. It's a boy. I always thought it was a boy. Well, the only thing was, yeah, it did have a Yorkie face, but still, I think he had that kind of manliness in him. I don't know how, but I always thought it was a boy. So it's a boy. We got confirmed. There is a boy. I'll give you fucking money. Thank you. What? He looked like, what is going on here? Oh, what's going on here? No one here yet. What's going on? Kiske. The 7th division will be moving on due the captain Kunama being wounded. Their request to dispatch the medical team was rejected. Captain Kutsky informed us that the captain of the 3rd and 9th division will move together with the 12th division. Captain Kutsky will join us eventually. It should be a problem for him to. It should be a problem for him too if such society disappears. Yeah. Okay. So what the plan was? The captain of the 11th division and the vice captain of the 9th division, Madam Woman son and Aigusawa son of the 11th division are getting emergency treatment. The other three aren't bad, but Captain Zaraki is seriously wounded. The remaining captain of the 4th division went to room 46. However, we still haven't received any kind of information about the captain and the vice captain of the 10th division. Oh, everyone's scattered. And what are you planning to do after getting them all up? Yeah. Wow. What you planning, bro? What you planning? We break into the Soul King Palace. Break into other captains? Is that even possible? It is. This will be thanks to the ability armor brought by your son and that's better targeted by Captain Kusayoshi. Then, oh, what the? If we have a use the use spiritual power, it's possible by all characters gathered together. Oh. Oh, sorry. Where's you? So sorry, humans. We can't win against Zura back. What the? And that's how you fucking end the fucking chapter? With like, it's even like saying, oh humans, I'm sorry, but yeah, we can't win. We're not. We're not. In the end of the world, we're not. Wow, you're very optimistic, aren't you? And like, yo, let's go. You build take care of job like you can do it. And then after fucking Ichigo is gone, Ichigo is going after Zobak. Fuck Ichigo is like saying, we lost. We lost. Humans, you're dead. We are dead. Everybody is dead now. Anyway, that chapter is very interesting chapter. Well, first of all, now we know that the David Kaja, I'm sorry I forgot his name. I know, but I forgot his name. It's happened. I'm human. So he's going to rule for 46. We know why. It's like Kubo is 80% confirmed, 90% confirmed that he's going to bring Aizen into the battle. Aizen is going to join the battle. There's no other way about it. Why would he go to room 446 besides to fucking see Aizen? There is no other possible choice for it. So yeah, Aizen is coming back. And yeah, so and we know that Yusei is now a boy, and that's so pretty cool to know that because it was a bit of a confusion if it's a girl or a boy. And now we know that Huara plan is putting together all the captains to actually break into the Sun King Palace if they have enough Ryatsu. And my question is, Kubo, what is Grimdal? I mean, you want to use fucking Ryatsu, break fucking the Hokamundo army, break Grimdal! I mean, come on! I mean, please don't tell me they are like taking the place of Grimdal. Please! Kubo! Don't do that! Also, bring Grimdal. Bring Grimdal. I am fucking begging you. Bring Grimdal. If you want it, yeah. I use Ryatsu, Aizen, and maybe Grimdal is like over fucking max Ryatsu. So Kubo, please do that, please. So yeah, I think that chapter was good. It gave us a lot of answers to what to expect now from the captains of the Soul Society and what they were doing. So yeah, and of course we see Joe back is, you know, farewell father, you know, on some Luke Skywalker, like that, you know. So anyway guys, you know what to do. Comment, rate, subscribe, and like the video because as always I'm Moisey, and have a good day.